Hello to all, Erica Preston here, and if you'd like to get good at waist hooping, this is the video for you. But first, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post another video. Let's go. All right, I'm back. So you want to learn more about waist hooping, how to do it well. Well, first and foremost, you are going to need an adult-sized hoop. And I have a video about that, so please watch that because it goes into detail about adult-sized hoops. And I will put a link in the description to some shops that I personally love to buy from. Okay, so now you've got an adult-sized beginner fitness hoop and you're wanting to start waist hooping. First thing you want to do is have a positive attitude. I hear it a lot. I can't do this anymore, or all these negative vibes around waist hooping. You want to nix that right away, and then after your attitude has adjusted, you are going to need to think about what your body's doing. I don't recommend having the hoop at all at the beginning. I'd like you to put one foot in front of the other, doesn't matter which, and just think about shifting your weight between each leg, okay? Your core is going along for the ride. A lot of people like to push with their waist, and that's fine, but at the very beginning, you tend to over-exaggerate that movement and can end up injuring your back. So at the very beginning, you're going to think about just shifting your weight because your core is your powerhouse. It's gonna go along for the ride. So right now, I just want you to think about shifting your weight back and forth. Think about that. You can switch legs, whatever feels comfortable for you at first. Shift the weight between each leg, okay? Make sure you're standing on a flat surface and your posture is erect, you're up, you're not slouching, however, you are relaxed, okay? You want the hoop at the small of your back, okay? Put that foot in front of the other, and before I give it a push to whichever side is comfortable for you, quick hint though, most people hoop to their left side, okay? And you can try your right, that might be more comfortable for you. It's all in practice, but one foot in front of the other, give it a push. I'm gonna give it a push to my left side, and I'm gonna immediately start rocking back and forth, okay? A lot easier than you think. You just need a big hoop, okay? Again, I have that video. Goes into a lot more detail about hoops, but right now we're talking about basically pushing your weight back and forth, distributing it back and forth. Sometimes I tell my students, I do this to kind of reinforce like, hey, we're going back and forth, back and forth. Core is tight. You're giving some, you're gonna go ahead and stabilize your core, but not necessarily jerking with it, okay? We're going to just distribute our weight, okay? Try both sides, okay? If it drops, just keep on going, okay? So that's the forward stance hooping, okay? Front stance hooping. You can also try side stance hooping. You're distributing your weight from left to right, okay? Core is engaged, okay? Stabilized, engaged, however you want to say it here. But you're just shifting your weight now from side to side, okay? Same thing, making sure that you are on a flat surface, your posture is erect, you're relaxed though, you're not slouching, you're standing up, okay? Side to side, side to side. You can take your arms that way. So I like to go forward and back, side to side, forward and back. It's a good drill, actually. But at the very beginning, it's gonna drop quite a bit, but if you have a big enough hoop, it might go a lot faster for you, okay? That's why I always recommend, just so you get the hang of it, you can always go smaller later, okay? And if you enjoy hooping enough, you'll definitely have more than one hoop anyway. So start, I can't stress this enough, start with a big old hoop, okay? So there you have it. Really in a nutshell, that's all it is weight distribution with your core engaged, okay? That's how you hoop well for a long period of time. I'm gonna recap this with shifting your weight forward and back, one foot in front of the other. Hoop the small of your back. Shift your weight forward and back, okay? Forward and back, okay? It'll be effortless in no time. Don't you worry, you just have to practice, practice, practice. That is how you get good. If you'd like to switch from side to side, then go for it. Okay, so there's how you waist hoop. Practice, practice, practice is key. I always recommend get your favorite music on. Try to get through one song if you can, you know, and it might take a week, it might take longer, it might take a few days. Everybody is different. Don't judge yourself. This is judgment-free zone. This is have fun zone. So make sure that you practice. I have a one-song playlist just for that, and it's more like demos, you know, to show you. Feel free to try to hoop along with it, but my one-song playlist is really just emphasizing at the very beginning, just try to get through one song. You know, you don't have to create this whole thing for yourself where I have to hoop for like hours and hours on end. Just get through one song, okay? You will see the benefits of it. You'll feel good. If you want to go more, you go more as you get better. That's all it is. All right, if you'd like to learn more about Hoop to the Rhythm, please like and subscribe to this channel. Additionally, I have a Patreon page that has all of my longer form content, the workouts, and some other goodies that I'm sure you're gonna love. So please check that out. All right, have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Take care. God bless.